Tuesday is a first warning impact day, so we've got a couple of rounds of thunderstorms that are going to be moving through, and there could even be some isolated severe storms, damaging wind gusts, some large hail, maybe even a brief tornado. And you can see on the Storm Prediction Center a severe weather risk map issued for day 2, which is tomorrow. Most of the area is under a low end threat or a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. And I want to show you, this is a product that we look at. This just gives us an idea of how much fuel there is for those thunderstorms, or we call it CAPE or instability. Overnight tonight is when we're going to see our first round of thunderstorms. And you can see on this forecast model, it does suggest that we get a little bit of instability to return here initially in some of the western counties and then kind of through the morning. But it's very, very low. You saw those bright white colors. It's on the lower end, but it's certainly enough that there could be a strong or even brief severe storm tomorrow during the overnight period and into tomorrow morning. And then instability kind of wanes a bit, but it really starts to return heading into Tuesday afternoon. Notice this is around 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now we've got some yellows on the map, and now we're starting to grow a little bit on the instability scale. So we kind of have 2 rounds that we're really going to be keeping an eye on. First, the overnight round, and you'll notice for our northwestern counties, that would be between about midnight and 4. 3 to 6 a.m. for some of these counties here right along the 5920 corridor, Tuscaloosa to Birmingham and Gadsden, and then 5 to 8 a.m. for some of these southeastern areas. Again, that's for round 1. Then we head into the afternoon hours, kind of late morning and into the afternoon for some of those storms where we may have a little more fuel to work with. So for places like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, Coleman, Jasper, Hamilton, we think about 10 in the morning at the earliest, but especially as we get after lunchtime through about 4 o'clock, and then we'll go 1 to 8 once you get south and east of that 5920 corridor there on the map. Let me show you the future track, and again, it's not going to work out exactly like this, but you can see some of those storms rolling through overnight tonight and through Tuesday morning. Those scoot out of here, and then we'll likely at least have some lingering scattered showers and storms around during the latter part of the morning. And then as we get into the afternoon, we'll really have to keep an eye on some of these, as some of these could briefly reach severe limits too. As I mentioned though, the overall threat looks to be pretty limited. Storms get out of here heading into around 10-11 o'clock at night Tuesday night, and then it's smooth sailing through the end of the week, right through Thanksgiving and Black Friday. We're going to be cooler too, which is going to feel pretty nice for the holiday. Back to you.